Today I am presenting the cold water high pressure cleaner from the HD Gasoline Classic range. These cold water high pressure cleaners are equipped with petrol engines and can be used mains free in areas such as agriculture, construction and industry. The ergonomic push handle enables convenient tilting. Transport is also made possible on uneven terrain thanks to the large pneumatic tires. The position of the wheels makes transporting the machine over steps easier. Hooks for the high-pressure hose are located on the push handle. All HD Gasoline Classic machines feature an integrated spray lance holder. There is a storage compartment on the rear of the machine and a screw clamp underneath for an additional rotary nozzle. Everything is designed for easy service and maintenance. The most important components, such as the engine and pump, are easily accessible. The clearly visible oil inspection glass and the color-coded dipsticks make it easy to check the oil level and change the oil. HD Gasoline Classic machines are very durable thanks to the robust crankshaft pumps in proven Kärcher quality. Large water filters guarantee a long service life for the pump, and a thermostat valve protects the pump in the recirculation mode. All HD Gasoline Classic machines are equipped with Karcher power nozzles for optimal cleaning performance. Starting the engine could not be easier. Open the fuel valve, switch the circuit breaker to on, pull the choke if necessary, take hold of the starter cord located on the rear and start the engine by giving the rope a sharp pull. The machine can be used under demanding conditions thanks to its robust tubular frame. HD Gasoline Classic machines are ideal for mains-free use under rough conditions. This machine concept combines a long service life with ease of servicing and is designed specifically for mobility and user-friendliness.